how's it going? It's about 6:30 a.m. or almost 7 o'clock maybe, and I'm driving over to the other farm because we have chicken trucks carting at the moment, chicken manure trucks carting, and one of them's bogged, so I'm just taking this John Deere over 150 to go pull him out. Apparently it's not that bad, but we'll find out. Yeah, see what happens. So that is wide open in top gear, E4, 43.2. Not bad, but a Fendt would go faster. Got about 14 kilometers to drive, so speed is good when you have to drive long distance. Tractor's muddy because this is a spreader tractor and we're just spreading. We're going to do some more spreading today before the rain. We made it over. Got one truck following me and the other truck is down there stuck. Truck out over there, and just as we pulled that truck out, this one got bogged just a little bit. It's in the front there, just a little soft here. Nowhere else to really dump the stuff, but so. I'm not gonna lie to ya. Well, I just pulled those two out, and now there's another one bogged over where I came from, which is about at my home block, which is about 14 k's away. So I've got to back we go there and gonna pull a third truck out for the morning. So hopefully that'll be the last one, but maybe I'll just spend my day pulling out trucks. Who knows? Yo! Let's go! Here he is. Thanks, mate. Try two. I'll have to give it to him. Had a bit of a battle, but we still got him out. He's going to be right there now, but we're in deep, bro. As you can see, so yeah, it's good to get him out. My breakfast. It is violently windy today. There's dust blowing from somewhere out west. But yeah, let's go find something to do. Well, she's definitely windy today. So windy. The crops spraying around. What have we got here? There's a loader with a big bucket on it, and I guess they're spreading the manure, or going to start, I don't know how. So that's just for loading it, and now they're going to go pick up the spreader or something. Interesting. That's where the trucks got bogged this morning. Not too bad, but the other one was worse. Another gear here. I love good roads. These roads are starting to get a bit rough. There's one thing that I hate on a farm, it's having shit roads. If all the roads were formed and perfect, that's good. You can just get right up it. Oh yeah, she's thick. Bit Bit of barley for your beer. Another bag unhooked. Look at this last little bit. Well, we got the other little bit of the bag empty, and then we're hooked back onto this one, and luckily you can't see, but there's a storm over there, so I just got to try and get this and get that bin full back to the house before it rains. Otherwise it's going to be put to. So I'm going to, and it's raining, it's wet on my face right now. I don't know if that's my saliva or what. Maybe I'm drooling. I don't know what the fuck. Yeah, righto, so auger up, heat cutter on. Tractor under. Oh yeah, I don't think that's coming yet, but it's windy today. Well, that auger's running, so if I fall in here, I'm buggered. No one to save me. Oh, fuck. Cut. Ah! Well, that just ripped right open. Well, we got 14 ton on, and then after that the bag just ripped, and there's too many showers around today, or storms around, so we just took the bag off. I've taken the bin back, and it's too windy as well. We're just getting covered in grain and shit, so we're just going to we're gonna have to pull a heap of grain out and hook it back on, cut it where it's ripping, and try again when tomorrow probably, if it's not too wet. But yeah, at least we've got the 14 ton. Hopefully we've got enough grain for now. So yeah, not having a great day. 3 bogged trucks and a ripped bag, and it's super windy, which is really unfortunate. But anyway, this is starting to get a bit four-wheel. Definitely some storms around. Nice. You can see where the trees have sucked out all the moisture. We ripped, but we did it too late. The crop wasn't really growing there. Box trees. Looks like the spread is ready to go.